Please don't skip any part of this video. Watch from A to Z. Don't allow the devil to make you skip any part of the video. You might miss an important step. Okay, I want you to comment in this comment section that whatever the enemy have done to me, let it go back to the sender. Drop that comment that way. Okay, whatever the enemy has done, let it go back to the sender. Hi guys, good evening, good afternoon, good morning. I greet you according to the time you are seeing this particular video. Yeah, the question you guys have been asking me from the WhatsApp groups, I should teach you guys how to do back to sender. Yeah, today I'll be teaching you guys how to do a very effective back to sender. Very effective. Okay, this is how to do back to sender. And please, before you do this, make sure there are shoes on your leg. Make sure there are shoes on your leg. Okay, make sure that there are shoes on your leg. Okay, don't do this when your leg is touching the ground or touching the soil. Make sure you are putting on shoes. Don't allow your leg to touch. Don't allow your leg to touch the ground. Okay, and if anything I will teach you here. Ask questions when necessary. Just ask me any question, anything you don't understand on the comment section, and I promise to get back to you as fast as possible. Don't just ask any question, anything you did not understand, and I will get back to you. Okay, go outside your compound, fetch soil with your right hand. Fetch the soil with your right hand. Then you divide that. You take it back to your room. Then you divide that particular soil you fetch into two. Leave one in a bowl inside leather. Then the remaining one on your palms. Then the one you will make this prayer on. Okay, that's the remaining one on your palm. You make prayers on it, that from east, west, north, and south, the four cardinal points. Wherever my problem is coming from, whatever the enemies has done to me that is disturbing me, whatever cause the enemies are laid on me, be it when I'm small or when I'm old, yes, I'm returning it back to sender. I'm sending it back to wherever I come from. Being it I offend the person knowingly or unknowingly. Being it when I was small or when I was old. Being it I offend the person knowingly or unknowingly. I'm returning whatever it is back to the person who said it. Being it him or her, I'm returning back to sender. So once you print on this particular side on your right palm, then you go outside your compound. Go and throw it away. Immediately you throw it away. Do your hairs like this, like clean your hairs like this, the way I'm doing it on the video. Then hit your hand on the ground 3 times. Then clean your hand again. Are you hearing me? You hit your hand on the ground, clean your hand 3 times again. Okay, make sure the way as you are doing this thing, make sure that there are shoes on your leg. Is very important. The immediately you go back to your room, go and fetch water. Go back to the bedroom and fetch water and take your bath. Okay, after you are done taking your bath, then you come back inside. Let the remaining sand in your room. Okay, pray on it that you came to this land, you came to seek for the favor of this land. Okay, that all the blessings that this land could bring, you tap from the blessings. All the sickness in this land, let it be far from you. All the troubles in this land, let it be far from you. All the bad things on this land, let it be far from you. All you want are the good things that this land could bring. That's all you seek for. So add anything you want to add, anything you wish, ask for it. That you always get favored from this land. You always get blessings from the land. Every good thing in the land you tap from it. So add any other thing you wish, please. If you found this video helpful so far, please give me a thumbs up. The reason why I say like the video is nothing but so that when you like a particular video, so that others can YouTube can easily recommend it to other people, so that other people can see it and it will be a blessing to them as well. Just like you have blessed you like the video so that others can see it, it can be a blessing to them. Anything you don't understand, ask me in the comment section. Okay, then after you make your prayers on it, fetch the sand and put it in 4 corners of your room. That's all. The circle is complete. So anything you don't understand, ask questions and I promise to get back to you. Okay, please like the video, subscribe if you have not yet, then ask anything in the comment section. I want you to write on the comment section that whatever the enemy has done to me, let it go back to the sender. Put it on the comment section. Whatever the enemy has done